मैं एक क्वेश्चन हाउस को पुट करना चाह रहा हूं, एक हाउस को क्वेश्चन पुट करना चाह रहा हूं। बहुत सोचने के बाद बहुत तकलीफ दे चीज जो मैं आज करने जा रहा हूं, मगर मैं मजबूर होके जब हदें सारी पार हो गई तो तब ये मैं क्वेश्चन पुट कर रहा हूं। During the address of the President to both houses assembled together on 18th April 2024, Jamshed Ahmed Dasti and Mohammad Iqbal Khan MNAs used abusive language, approached the dais of the Speaker in a threatening manner that should not have been approached, blowing whistles and trumpets which have never been blown in the Parliament before, chanted objectionable slogans, displayed banners and placards, indulged in rowdy behavior like unbecoming of a parliamentarian, thereby eroded sanctity of the House in sheer violation of Rule 30 of Rules of Procedure of Conduct of Business in the National Assembly 2007, thereby disregarding the authority of the Speaker, the abusing and the rules of consistently and willfully obstructing the proceedings. I therefore name them in terms of Rule 21 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business in the National Assembly 2007, read with Rule 33 of the Parliament Joint Sitting Rules 1973. Now I put the question to the House that Jamshed Ahmed Dasti MNA and Mohammad Iqbal Khan MNA be suspended from the service of the Assembly for remainder of the session. All those in favor it may say aye. All those against it may say no. I think the ayes have it. Consequently, the motion is adopted. The members shall now forthwith withdraw their pressings of the Assembly under Rule 21 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business in the National Assembly. The House is adjourned to meet again on Monday, 27th April at 5 p.m.